All right, guys, so let's see what's in the box. Who's ready for it? I know I am. All right, so I just cut the seal right now. Inspect contents immediately. Okay, let's inspect them. Damn, this thing is so heavy. Okay, so here it is. Let's see what's in this little box right here. I'm gonna lay everything down on this floor. Oh, look at this nice decals they sent us. 3D. They look cool. The license plate cover. A couple of stickers. And this is, it's a gasket. Yeah, you see the gasket here. More gaskets. That's what's in this box. Let's see what's in this folder. Well, that's where I guess where somebody did the inspection on it to make sure everything was good and everything that comes with the kit. And these are the instructions. Yeah, I am gonna need this, so I gotta save all this paperwork just to make sure everything I do it's correctly installed. Okay, so let's see what else is in here. I'll get the supercharger later. Let's see. Okay, so we have a couple of couplings for the air intake, clamps, bolts. Okay, a couple of wires. Oh, look, even a new thermostat. Some brackets, I don't know where this go, I have to read it. And we have the supercharger oil. Yep, so that's what's in this box. This one's the pulley. So this is so the hardware for the pulley and then the pulley itself. 4 inches. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one right here. Let's go check out this bag. Okay, looks like we have a couple of vacuum hoses and some other type of hoses. I don't know what they're for at the moment, but we'll find out. And then there's some clamps in there too, I can see. Like I said, you and me are gonna be installing this supercharger kit. I'll set that in there. And I do want to get this out of the box, so I'm gonna try to lift it up myself. Hopefully I don't break it. Let's see. Yeah, it's heavy, man, I'll tell you that. I'll set it down on the floor right here. Alright, so that is the new Supercharger 3.4 from Whipple Superchargers. Alright, this is the stock one. That's all the unit, intake, and the adapter plate and supercharger with the platinum. And this is the new one. So all that's gonna replace this.
This is not how the plane was supposed to go.
So yeah. I have to buy the new gaskets for the intake.
Oh, it's gonna be one of those V-shaped recoveries.
Yep. So there it is. That's everything that comes with it. There's nothing else. Oh yeah, there's one more part. There's this intake adapter. So we'll use that somewhere. Whatever the manual says. Alright guys, so that's what's in the box. I have to buy, like I mentioned before, the injectors and the fuel pump, and then also the gaskets. That's why I took that one off. I don't need to, or you don't need to take it off if you're gonna just replace the supercharger. But in this case, I wanted to replace those gaskets because those are the original gaskets, and I don't want them to be leaking, you know, after I install the supercharger, because it's gonna have more power, more airflow, you know. So it's, I mean, they're only a couple of bucks, so
I'm Jonathan Goldstein.
Might as well just replace those and get it over with, and we know it's not gonna be leaking after that. So,
Tap to listen.
all right, guys, I'll cut you guys on the installation video. Let me show you guys over here. So, I have everything taken off. I still get it clean, all that. Get the antifreeze out of there, and then buy the new gaskets. Possibly buy a new set of fuel rails, but I don't think it's necessary. It's just so cool, you know. I might have to replace my spark plugs. They're not too old. I think they're about a year old. So I'm gonna take one off and look at it, and if it looks clean, then I'll just leave the same ones on. But alright guys, I'll see you guys in the next video, the installation of the supercharger, and hopefully we can start it sometime next week, and you know, drive it around. You know, I'm not gonna push it because it's not gonna be tuned, but we'll get it ready for the tuner on I think my appointment it's December 12th, so we have to wait, you know, a couple more days. But yep, there it is, guys. So real simple installation. Like I said, everything including the removing of the intake, basically up to this point right here. It took me about 2 hours. You know, for some reason Fords are really easy to work on. They have a lot of shit everywhere, but everything's easy. Nothing's really hard on Fords. You know, all you have to use is a 13mm socket, you know, pair of pliers, and those the tools to disconnect the lines, and 10mm socket, you know, and that's all. Okay, well, that's gonna be the ending of this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Yeah, have a good day and happy Halloween.